Hello everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to install HyperTerminal on Windows 11 or 10. So, let's get started. You may have used terminals like Command Prompt before, or even the MinGW terminal, which is essentially Git Bash. Today, I'll be introducing you to a new terminal called HyperTerminal. It's similar to Git Bash, but I'll walk you through how to download and install HyperTerminal. First, let's download HyperTerminal. Open your browser, go to the search bar and type hyper.js. The first result will be from hyper.is. Click on that. Once you're on the page, scroll down a bit until you see the Download Hyper button. The version should be 3.4.1. Just click on Download Hyper and it will open in a new tab. You'll see that the download for Hyper has begun. If you go to your download directory, you should see Hyper Setup downloaded. To start the installation, double-click on the setup file. Let's minimize the download directory, and you'll see the installation wizard has opened. This is the default installation destination, but if you want to change it, just click Browse to select a different location. I'll keep everything as default, then click Install. Now, as you can see, the installation process has started. HyperTerminal is just a 60 MB file, so it won't take long. Check Launch Hyper and then click Finish. You'll see HyperTerminal launch within a few seconds. Next, I'll show you how to edit the configuration file, which is a crucial step. Click on the menu icon, then go to Edit and select Preferences. This opens the hyper.js configuration file. Here, you'll need to paste a specific code snippet, and that's it. This is how you install the latest version of Hyper on your Windows 10 or 11. If this video helped you out, feel free to buy me a coffee using the link in the description. This will support the channel so I can keep making more videos like this.